Hi everyone.
Let's go. Mount your camera on a tripod using either landscape or portrait. You get my point. You don't even need to record an empty background for this tutorial. Now all you need to do is to just bring out your hand as if you are holding money, $100. You get my point. If you have the real dollar, you can use, but if you don't have the real dollars, you can go to Google Chrome and download the image of $100. When you are done, you can now walk away. Now let's go to Capcut. Alright, so we have our image right here. You get my point? So as you can see, it is a 3 seconds video. Now, like I used to tell you people, once you bring in an image to Capcut, it automatically turns into a video. And as it is, we will have to extend it to our preferred duration. You get my point? So see what's going to happen here. You tap on the image layer, tap at the end of the image layer, then drag it. Make sure it gets to 10 seconds. I'm using 10 seconds for this. Let's make it 10 seconds. Drag it a bit. So when you have it this way, the next thing for you to do is for you to move the video to the beginning as it is. Now look at these tools bar here. Go and look for mask. Just go and look for mask. Alright, so look at mask here. Click on mask, click on circle. When you click on circle right here, this is what you're going to get. Click on circle, bro. You get my point. Now click on invert. So now you will be able to circle where this man is. This Franklin. You get my point. So the name of the person on $100 is Franklin. I believe you've learned something today. So that is just it. So the name here is Franklin. So you are going to use your face for this. So what you need to do is to work on this. You expand it to make sure it covers the person's face as it is right now. You get my point? So just play with the size, position. You get my point? You don't even need to touch feather. You don't need to touch feather here. You get my point? So now when you are done, you click on OK. Let's get back to work. As it is now, we still have our main clip here. So what you do here, we will duplicate this main clip. We want it to be 2. You get my point? So where is duplicate? Alright, so look at it here. Click on duplicate. So we just duplicated this main clip. So you go and look for overlay. Go to the duplicated layer now and overlay it. Click on overlay. Now tap on the overlaid layer and drag it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? So guys, if you are beginning to gain value from this video, please do well to hit the like button. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome to Mr. Cretin Update Video Editing channel. You know, here I teach how to edit videos. You get my point? And if you want to learn how to edit videos, guys, we are still training privately. So you DM me. You see the link in the description of this video. You get my point? So now from this part where you want this man here to take off, to leave that space, you add keyframe right here. Now you move the video a bit. Maybe you can, if you want it to be, you can just add it somewhere here. You get my point? Then you drag the man away. You get my point? Now you don't even need to add keyframe before you do that. You can just move the man. After adding the first keyframe, you move the man away. Another keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So that's how it is done. At this point, you don't need to do any other thing right now. You'll have to export this particular video to your gallery. So you click on the export button and allow it enter your phone gallery. You get my point? We are not done yet, so stay tuned and make sure you like and share this video. You get my point? So now you are going to bring in the green background video you recorded and the video you just exported to your gallery. So look at them here. Now look at the green background here. Now it depends on how you want it to start. You get my point? But what you need to do right here is, as it is now, we will go back to the green background. Let's go to the green background. Alright, so we are here. So from here you tap on the green background layer as it is. Go and look for remove BG. Click on it. Click on chroma key. Now move this color picker to where it shows green. Now make sure the whole color picker shows green, just like this. You get my point? Make sure your green cloth you are using is very okay. Now you can increase the intensity to somewhere 30. Now click on OK. As you can see, we still have some green traces. So from here you go and look for adjust. Click on it. Now select HSL, tap on green, reduce the saturation, reduce the lightness, reduce the hue, like reduce everything to minus 100, because we don't even need any green traces on this particular video. So when you are done with that, you click on OK. Look at OK button right here. Tap on this OK button, young man. So when that is done, the next thing for you to do is to drag, go to this dollar layer. Understand? Go and look for overlay. Now click on overlay. See overlay right here. Tap on it. It will come down. Then drag it. Tap and hold it. Drag it to the beginning of the video. Now you have 2 layers right there. 2 layers. So what you are going to do at this point, as you can see, the character is behind the money. You get my point? So now the next thing for you to do is you are going to tap on the first layer, which is the green background layer. Now place 2 fingers on your screen and adjust it. You get my point? Just like the way you see me do here on screen. Alright, so guys, I'll advise you to watch this video 2 or 3 times before you start editing it. You get my point? So what you will do right here, you will tap on the second layer, which is the money layer. Then go and look for splice and click on filter. You will have something like this. You get my point? So now when you are done with this, you are good to go. All you need to do is to tap at the end of the layers, split and delete the unwanted parts, and you now export this particular video to your gallery. You get my point? So make sure the 2 layers are aligned at the end. You get my point? So now click on new project and import the video you recorded where you were trying to lift the dollar and the dollar video you just saved to your gallery. Understand? The 2 videos is what you're going to bring in here. So at this point, I have to mute the noise in the background on this particular video. You get my point? So now what we are going to do next, please pay close attention. Make sure you watch this video like 2 or 3 times before you start editing, like I said before. So what you're going to do right here is to go over to the video you just brought in, like the one you just saved. Understand? You're going to go right there. Now click on overlay and bring it down to the second layer. You get my point? I believe you get my point. Now place your finger, tap on it, drag it to the beginning of the layer, so it will be the second layer. You get my point? So you're going to have something like this. You get my point? Now tap on the dollar layer and reduce the size. Now place it towards where your fingers are. You get my point? So you add keyframe at the beginning of the layer. As you are lifting your hand up, understand, you are moving the dollar towards where your hand is, and keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So when you want to straight your hand towards the camera, you can apply, or you can place 2 fingers on your screen to zoom it. You get my point? So it will really go well. You get my point? So guys, this is all you need to know about this video, and I believe you've learned something from this video. Please do well to like and share. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, you are missing a lot, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Like I said, if you want one-on-one training, guys, DM me on WhatsApp. You get my point? Or you can email me. You get my point? So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.